Hello and welcome to Soul Tuning. My name is Rajeshwari, and today I want to talk about this thing that the USA is calling the sitting disease. Actually, it's probably all over the world, but more focused right now, the studies that I've seen are in the USA. And it's quite the epidemic. And I'm passionate and intrigued by it from my own experience. Once again, my back went out, even though I was practicing all these wonderful practices and techniques, and I did some deeper research and wanted to know why. What was it that I was doing that was causing this? And come to find out, I was doing a lot of sitting. I was exercising and walking and being active, but then I would come back and do a lot of sitting and studying and trying to cram things out to get them done and then get up and move on to other things in my life. And that was causing a lot of dis-ease in my body. So I just want to read some things off to you, some things that I've learned from personal experience and also from my research about this sitting disease. So one of the main facts right now is that 3.2 million deaths are related to physical inactivity. That's wow, but it has to start somewhere, right? So that's one of the things that sitting that contributes to all these diseases that are out there. The longer you stay put, the more agitated your body becomes. So if you're reading, writing, crafting, doing artwork, on the computer, iPad, on the phone, watching TV, driving, think about all the things that you do when you're sitting and how much that amounts to throughout your day. So from all that sitting, your posture and your alignment and the muscles and everything included has weakened. And so even when you stand up, and this is what I found, you're still in that posture. Your body has now been programmed or is weakened to remain in that posture. So when you're doing the dishes, when you're walking, when you're doing laundry, or just any activity you can think of, it's almost like you're still sitting because you haven't corrected that sitting disease. Your chest cavity shrinks from all that sitting and the weakening of the posture. And when your chest cavity shrinks, the ability to expand your lungs also shrinks. So the ability to breathe in and fill your lungs with air to its full capacity shrinks. And the ability to breathe in that oxygen and supply your brain with blood and oxygen shrinks. And the ability to remove the toxins from your body just through breathing alone, like carbon dioxide, shrinks. So that's just breathing. So what can we do? Walking and balance help to produce dopamine. And what dopamine does is it prevents the body from becoming stiff and frozen. There's a lot of diseases out there that are created from this stiffness and feeling frozen, but I'm sure you've experienced at least stiffness in your body. And dopamine is also important for attention, motivation, and any goal-directed behavior. So if you're looking for more motivation, if you want to be more focused, and if you want to feel like you're completing your goals, walking. Walking is one of the things. So in soul tuning, I focus on a lot of stretches that you can do to reverse the effects of sitting. There are breathing exercises you can do to really focus and help to strengthen and expand the lungs and bring that oxygen into your entire body for better function. We also focus on deep relaxation exercises that are very important for de-stressing the body and relaxing the inner core muscles, because they never get that attention unless you're focusing on that deep relaxation. Some little things you can do are just taking short breaks. So get out of the mindset like I have had where you just want to focus and like complete it and get it done. Instead, focus, write a list of what you're trying to complete, but get up, go do a dish or two. That's going to help you not feel overloaded at the end of the day. If you're just go do a dish or two, go start the laundry. If you're talking on the phone, walk around when you're talking on the phone. Get up and just go for a short walk, even if it's for a little short walk around the block. Anything you can do to break up the sitting. Sitting for about 10 minutes to half an hour max is probably what you want to look at. Even when you're sitting, adjusting your posture, tuning into your body, really staying focused on that. You're actually going to get more energy. I know that we sit and we slouch on the couch and we just like let go because we're tired or we're just done mentally, emotionally, whatever. You're actually going to get more energy. You're going to be more positive and you're going to stay more focused if you do this. And when you come back to do your work, you're going to be more effective and you're probably going to have a lot more fun in the process just to break up. And the mind loves to have new perspective, to have change, and just to break up that stagnicity. That's pretty much it it's pretty much it in a nutshell for what I wanted to go over today. And if you wanted to know anything more about these stretches or any other tips and exercises regarding sitting or back pain or mindfulness or wellness, click on the link below, www.soultuningcenter.com, and take a look around at the website. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I would love the opportunity to work with you personally so you're not just getting this information and not getting any follow-up. So thank you for watching, and until next time, blessings to you.